Hey everybody, this is just going to be a short one, but I got to show you what came in today. It's Miss Lillian's Southern Rust. Create authentic crusty rust in 3 easy steps. We have a yellow, a burnt orange, and a brown. You can see, I couldn't wait. I went ahead and started. Yes, you can see the little circles. It's already on here, but that's fine because I'm going to cover them all up with the other. Just use a chip brush for this application, and it doesn't take a lot. Just going to dip, and you just pounce it up and down. And I do the yellow all over. I don't do a real thick coat because you're going to have the other 2 colors to come in here and add on. And that is all we're going to do to that. And we're going to finish this hole in the yellow and let it dry, and then we'll be back. And don't drip any in the other color. Okay, this first part that I did, it was dry in about 10 minutes. And as you can see, I've got certain areas a little thicker than others, but this is all that you need. You don't need it real thick. And I made it thicker on this side, and as you can see, that is still pretty wet, but you don't need it that thick because this stuff goes a long ways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, since this is dry, and you don't want to cover it all over, and you don't need that much. You just want to do it in areas and random. And this dries pretty quick as well. But that's about the coverage that you want. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this over to here, and then I'll let that dry, and then we'll finish it up and see what we got. Okay, I went ahead and blowed it dry with a blow dryer. I still got a few damp spots, but that's fine. As you see, I've already started applying it over here. And all 3 applications is the same process, just pouncing up and down and adding it where you want it. And you can leave it really thin like there, or you can add a little more. It's just whatever you want it to look like in the finished process. But isn't that neat? That is just really cool. I'll go ahead and finish, and then we'll look at it whenever I'm done. And there was another little deal that I just discovered. If you kind of dry brush it, I like that look as well, like as you're finishing up. And like there may be a few areas I kind of want to dry brush it. I kind of like that. That really looks cool over the burnt orange color. Okay, we're going to let this dry, and then we'll be back. Okay, I just couldn't leave well enough alone. I got to thinking what would be so cool is to add a little bit of the green patina that will show up sometimes in rust. So I went and got the metalsmith, and I'm just going to put it in spots, just a few. I'm just not a lot. Just kind of work it around like that. And this is the only area I'm going to do because I want to see what it's going to turn out like before I do it all over. Don't want to ruin my rust pot. So I put that on, and I'm going to, oh, I better cover that up. Okay. And spray that. And I'm going to set it up where it will run. And we'll be back. Okay, y'all, she's done, and I want y'all to see up close. I mean, it actually feels like rust. That is just the coolest thing. And you can see where I added just a little bit of the patina, the green patina, with adding the copper on first and then spraying it with the patina spray. Very cool. So there you go. Southern Rust by Miss Lillian's. Okay, I kind of wanted to get it out of the direct light where you could see, because it was kind of misleading on the colors. But as you can see, this is what it looks like just in regular normal lighting. And I'll turn it here where you can see the patina. See, that's really cool. Awesome.